Jordan, should I bring a half coat? I heard New York gets pretty cold this time of year.
Definitely. And don't forget comfortable shoes for walking around the city.
Got it. And what about formal wear? Do we need that?
Maybe for a fancy dinner or a Broadway show.
Right. And electronics?
Don't forget an adapter and a power bank for the phone.
Good thinking. What about carry-on luggage?
I'll bring a book, headphones, and some snacks. And of course, our travel documents.
Passport? Check. Plane tickets? Check. Travel insurance? Check. Looks like we're set.
I'm ready too. Shall we head to the airport now?
Yeah. Did you check our flight and the airport arrival time?
All good. We will get there with time to spare.
Perfect. Let's finish up here and head to the airport. Our flight's up there on the board. Seems on time.
Great. Let's check in. Window or aisle for you?
Window. Love the view on takeoff.
Let's do it. And then, security.
Yeah. And shoes off, right?
Exactly. Better loosen the laces now.
Always a relief to get through security without a hitch.
Agreed. How about a coffee before we hit the boarding gate?
Sounds great. Let's go.
The view from up here never gets old, does it?
It's amazing. Have you decided on the first place to hit up in New York?
Central Park. How about you?
The Statue of Liberty. But really looking forward to the food scene.
Wanna watch a movie to pass the time?
Great idea. Let's watch together. We made it. Now for immigration and to grab our bags.
Hope the line moves quick.
We'll be enjoying the city in no time. Whoa, check out that view. It's incredible. You can really feel the city's energy. Any thoughts on where to start?
Let's look over our lists. What about food?
I've heard Brooklyn's got great pizza spots, and maybe Chinatown or Little Italy for dinner.
Good idea. We should also ask the hotel's front desk for recommendations.
Definitely. And we can't miss the famous rooftop bars.
Speaking of which, think we can score last-minute Broadway tickets?
Worth a shot. And if not, there's plenty to see at Times Square.
By the way, how about kicking off at Times Square tonight?
Perfect. We can take a stroll and then grab dinner. Let's head up to our room and then go explore the city.
Yeah, let's settle in and map our adventure from there.
And public transportation?
We can pick up a subway map and a metro card to get around easily. Whoa, this view is something else. Ready to dive into the city?
Absolutely. Let's unpack and then head out.
Maybe after Times Square we can try for a Broadway show?
Sounds like a plan. I will also check online for any special events in the coming days.
And tomorrow, Central Park and maybe some museums?
Sounds good. And for dinner, that Italian restaurant seems like a nice choice.
Let's make this trip unforgettable.
Agreed. New York, here we come.